Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to download Discord and use Discord, that is. There's two ways. One, you can open Discord in your browser. You'll have to enter your username and all that. And a second one is you can download it. Now I have Discord downloaded, so after you download, you just want to press on it and install it the same way as any other. But once the download is done, you just want to launch it and then install it. I'm just gonna open it, not gonna install it, but I'm just gonna open it and cancel the installation. But as you see, it's already installed, so it's not gonna install for me. And it's also because I have Better Discord installed. What Better Discord is basically allows me to add themes and all that. I'll show you guys how to do that in a future tutorial. But for now, yeah. Since I have Better Discord installed, that error message popped up. But for you, all you have to do is press enter and that should be it. And then all you need to do is click on Discord and then register, create your account, log in. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.